Have you ever wondered where the paper we use every day comes from? It's time to explore its incredible journey. We use paper for writing, drawing, wrapping, and reading. Most paper is made from trees, which contain special fibers turned into paper sheets. Let's uncover the fascinating process of how a tree becomes the paper. Paper making starts by cutting trees into wood chips. These chips are then cooked and turned into a thick substance called pulp. The pulp is then pressed to remove water and dried to create the smooth paper sheets we use. Remember that paper making utilizes significant amount of natural resources like trees, water, and energy. Thus, we must use it carefully and responsibly. Wasting paper harms our precious forests and depletes natural resources. Every sheet counts. We can prevent wastage of paper by following the 5 R's. Let us look into it. We start with refuse by saying no to unnecessary items like paper cups or straws. We can reduce paper by using its both sides, and reuse by reusing paper gift wraps for others' gift. Repurpose can be done by making something new from old paper, like paper boat. Recycling can be done by turning old paper into new again. Did you know you can easily make recycled paper at home and even add color with natural materials? The process involves soaking, mashing, and spreading old paper pulp into new sheets, which are then dried. For colors, you can use natural dyes like turmeric for yellow, spinach for green, and beetroot for red. They are safe and eco-friendly. Paper comes in many forms, each designed for a specific purpose. Tissue paper is soft and absorbent. Cardboard is thick for packaging. And Braille paper helps visually impaired people read using touch. Paper is useful, but we must not waste it. By following the 5 R's, we can use our paper in a sustainable manner. Thank you.